Hello friends, Rahul is with you. Today I will share with you the secrets of my biggest deals. $100,000, $500,000 and attention, $1 million. These amounts are actually earned by me in the cryptocurrency markets. I will show you how it all happened and what was the key to success. It's not just luck but clear strategies and really work. If you want to learn how to make that kind of money, watch this video to the end. Let's start with my first big $100,000 deal. It was in 2022 when the cryptocurrency market was going through a big recession and many investors were starting to panic. I noticed one investing point. BNB was in very strong support and its price was stable despite the market decline. Then I saw a real opportunity and I decided to enter a large position by placing an order with a view to long-term perspective. 2 weeks later, when the market pulled back a little, I closed the position with a profit of the $100,000. The next $500,000 deal occurred in 2023. When I decided to invest in the Solana project, it was very interesting moment because Solana was just beginning to attract attention at that time. I studied the technical and fundamental indicators and realized that this is an underestimated project with a huge potential. After several months of the monitoring, I entered a big position. About a month later, amid growing interest in the Solana, the coin saw a 100% increase and I was able to reach $500,000 in profit. The most important thing here was that I was ready to hold the position for a long time, despite the volatility and fluctuations on the market. Now I am going to tell you about my biggest deal for $1 million. This happened in 2024 when the cryptocurrency market began to recover again after another fall. I was watching new projects and one coin came on the radar. It was the moment when the DeFi platform token began to receive significant investment from the investors. I immediately saw that this could be my gold mine. I entered the project at a time when many still doubted its prospects. As a result, after a couple of the weeks, the price of the token increased by 200% and my position brought me $1 million. If you want to learn the same strategies and learn how I make decisions, follow the link in the description and subscribe to my channel. There I share secrets that will help you to achieve the same results as my $100,000, $500,000 and $1 million. Don't miss the chance to change your life. Act now, follow the link and join my channel where I show you how to make money on the cryptocurrency market.